We're going into the car wash. Going into the car wash with Mama and Allie. Yeah. Allie, it's okay. Allie acts like she's scared, but she's okay. We're going to do it together. Here it comes. Allie, it's just water. We're making a movie for Mira, so don't cry. Do you want to get out and come up here? Okay, get out. Come up here. Undo your seatbelt. So it's spraying some water for us. No. We're trying to get Mira not to be scared. She's still watching her movie back there. And it's going to go around to the sides of the car and spray us with water. Yay! There's Allie! Allie's in the car wash with Mom. Yeah. Move that so you can sit right there, Allie. What are we doing, Allie? What are you doing with Mom? Can you talk on the camera? No. It's washing the back. I'm going to pause that, okay? Now what's it going to do? It's going to clean the car. Oh, here it comes around the sides, over by Allie. And it's spraying the car with water. Yeah. Now it's going to spray a heavy soap. It's putting soap on the car now. Right, Allie? We're giving the car a bath? Are we giving the car a bath? Say yep. You going to turn some music on, Allie? Turn it right here. Turn this one. And then this one. And we'll get some music. If you push that button. Oh, you did it. Oh yeah. It's fun time in the car wash. Here. Washing Mom's car. Allie's not scared. She's a big girl. She's not scared at all. She's just playing. Then it goes around to the back of the car. Music. And here it comes back. See, going to the car wash can be so much fun. Here it comes. Yay. I think we have one more rinse, maybe. If you push this button, we'll have some fun music. Let's turn it down there. There. Ellie likes to jam. Oh! Got some dance moves for us, Allie? It's not a movie, it's just a song. We might do a different song though. Probably gonna come back around, Mir. Yep. No music? His car wash is so happy it has smiley faces on it. Did you see the smiley face? I'll show it to you when we go out. Ta-da! Are we all done? You think it's over? Oh, that's going to lower down. Spray our car. See all those smiley faces? It says drive forward. There's smiley faces all around. All right, now we're going to drive out. Driving out of the car wash. Bye-bye, car wash. Can you tell the car wash bye-bye, Allie?
Bye-bye.
All right, all done. We'll turn around and we'll say, bye-bye, car wash.